Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for travel credits in the United Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the My United button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the Trips button, and then click on the Search Travel Credits button. So in order to search for your credits, you need to provide your confirmation number or a PIN and your last name, and then just click on the search button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.